You've replaced your O2 sensor, but the diagnostic code keeps coming back. This is actually a very common problem that frustrates many car owners and even some technicians. The statistics reveal the scope of this issue. Approximately 15 to 20% of replaced oxygen sensors result in recurring fault codes. This means 1 in 5 sensor replacements doesn't solve the underlying problem. The key insight is that modern vehicles require a system-level understanding, not just a component-level fix. The oxygen sensor is part of a complex network of interconnected systems. The persistence of oxygen sensor codes typically indicates underlying issues in 4 key areas: the fuel system, air intake system, exhaust system, and engine management electronics. Each of these can affect sensor readings. Here's a detailed view of the exhaust system, where oxygen sensors are located. Notice how the sensors interact with multiple components, including the catalytic converter, exhaust manifold, and various pipes and connections. The bottom line is this: replacing the oxygen sensor without diagnosing the root cause only provides a temporary fix. Success rates improve dramatically when technicians adopt comprehensive diagnostic approaches rather than simple component replacement strategies. Proper diagnosis of recurring O2 sensor codes requires a comprehensive system analysis approach, not just replacing the sensor. This systematic method has a 92% success rate compared to only 65% for sensor-only replacement. Start by checking fuel trims at both idle and 2500 RPM. This data reveals how the engine control module is compensating for air-fuel mixture issues. Modern diagnostic tools can display this information in real time. Use smoke testing to identify vacuum leaks that can cause false air entry into the system. Even small leaks can significantly affect oxygen sensor readings and cause recurring codes. Verify the mass airflow sensor calibration and cleanliness. A contaminated or faulty MAF sensor provides incorrect air volume data to the engine control module, affecting the air-fuel mixture calculations. Test the oxygen sensor heater circuits, ground circuits, and wiring harness integrity. Electrical issues are often overlooked but can cause intermittent sensor failures and recurring codes. Modern diagnostic approaches use multi-parameter analysis, examining oxygen sensor data alongside fuel trim, mass airflow, and catalytic converter efficiency parameters simultaneously to identify patterns and root causes. If diagnostic testing reveals underlying issues, implement targeted fix strategies. These include fuel system cleaning with professional-grade cleaners, air intake system service, and exhaust system repairs to address leaks or restrictions. Always check for technical service bulletins related to your specific vehicle. Manufacturers often release updates and known fixes for recurring issues that can save significant diagnostic time and ensure proper repairs. Remember, successful O2 sensor diagnosis requires a systematic approach. By following these comprehensive troubleshooting steps, you achieve a 92% success rate and avoid the frustration of recurring codes.